Operating the machine. When you arrive on site, always do a site assessment first. Look around for any conditions or obstructions that could hinder splitting or make operating the machine unsafe for anyone. If there's a source of sparks, flames, or unknown vapors nearby, do not operate. When your assessment is complete, park the log splitter on dry, level ground. Never park on a slope or with unsure footing. If you're going to disconnect from the tow vehicle, pull out the detent ring pin from the front leg or swivel jack. Rotate the leg or jack to the vertical position. Replace the pin. Ensure the latch is locked when using it in either the vertical or horizontal position. Turn the fuel line valve, choke, and engine switches to the on position. Pull the starter. Once the splitter starts, run it for 30 seconds to 1 minute at half throttle. Keep personnel clear during this break-in period. After warming up, run the cylinder out once without splitting any wood. When ready, load your log by holding it on its sides. Never load the log by holding it on its ends. To split, move to the back of the machine. Push down on either lockout lever with one hand, and with your other hand, move the valve control lever forward. The log will split. Once complete, pull the lever back. The valve detent will return and automatically release once the cylinder rod fully retracts. If the wood sticks to the wedge, don't try to remove it by hand. Instead, push the spring-loaded wedge cleaner down. Doing so will clear the wood from the wedge as it returns. Keep your fingers clear from the wood as the wedge retracts. To use the splitter in the vertical rail position, first disconnect the splitter from the towing vehicle. You will not be able to rotate to vertical if it's still attached. Pull the latch pin and rotate the rail using the handle. Make sure the vertical latch pin locks in place. Both pins can be unlocked and relocked manually by rotating the pin handle behind the stop. When moving to the vertical position, the end of the rail will touch the ground before the rail latches into place. The whole machine will roll back a few inches as the rail approaches vertical. Follow the same splitting procedures as in the horizontal position. After the job. Once splitting is complete, turn off the ignition switch. Close the fuel shutoff valve. If you don't, fuel could leak into the cylinder and crankcase. Damage from this is not covered under warranty. Never leave the machine running while unattended. The muffler and engine get hot enough to cause serious burns. Always make sure the engine is turned off and let the machine cool entirely before refueling, performing maintenance, cleaning, or touching the engine, muffler, hydraulic lines, or hydraulic fluid. To clean the machine, wait until it's cool and then spray it down with water. Once you return to the shop, complete all other required cleaning and lubrication maintenance. For more specifics about product assembly, warranty information, maintenance tasks, and more, consult your owner's manual and visit www.barretomfg.com.